In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Reddit awards strategically to boost visibility. Let's start right from the beginning. First, you'll want to select a post. This could be your own post or someone else's. Maybe it's a really helpful guide, a funny story, or a thoughtful discussion that deserves more attention. Open that post so you're on the full post page, not just the preview in your feed. Taking a moment to choose a genuinely high quality post is important because awards work best when they highlight content people actually value. Once you've selected the post, look just below it for the small ribbon icon. This is usually grouped with other options like commenting and sharing. Click on that ribbon. This is the button that lets you give an award. When you click it, Reddit will show you different award choices, some free and some that cost coins. You don't need to pick the fanciest one. Even simple awards can send a strong signal. Now let's talk about the main uses of awards and how to think about them strategically. First, awards are a great way to show appreciation. When you award a post, you're telling the original poster, hey, this really helped me, or this made my day. That positive feedback often encourages them to create more content like it. Over time, people notice which types of posts get rewarded, and communities start to lean into that higher quality content. Awards can also increase visibility. Many subreddits and users pay special attention to posts with awards, and some sorting algorithms factor awards into what surfaces more often. That means an awarded post is more likely to be seen, upvoted, and discussed. If you want a great answer or an insightful analysis to reach more people, giving it an award can help push it higher and keep it relevant for longer. Another powerful aspect is social proof. When a post has multiple awards, it immediately signals that others have found it valuable. New readers tend to trust and click on content that looks recognized and endorsed by the community. This can snowball into more engagement, more comments, more upvotes, and more shares. Finally, awards are a way to support the creator. Some awards share coins or other benefits with the person who made the post, depending on the type of award and Reddit's current system. Even when there's no direct monetary benefit, that recognition can motivate creators to stay active, answer questions, and produce better content for everyone. So when you use Reddit awards, don't just click at random. Choose a strong post, use that ribbon icon, and think about whether you're showing appreciation, boosting visibility, adding social proof, or supporting a creator who's making your Reddit experience better.